Okay, Kelly. What's that what's that sawmill run on?
It runs on ethanol, gasoline.
And what does
the operator runs on alcohol.
Oh, damn, boy. We got a combination here today, guys. All right, he got this Norwood saw. We're going to see what it's going to do. We're going to get a little dust with this today, folks. So we're going to get this video. Down here with Kelly Sbrusch, around a second. Ooh, that stuff is something else. This stuff's an open pond here. We dried out down to 15%, got some cracks in it. We're going to see what it's going to turn out like. Most of y'all see my videos, we're used to run a homemade sawmill. But Kelly got this Norwood. We want to see what kind of job it does. Back at the back, he get a little dust on him, ain't he? Hey, what happened to Boot Road? The motor died.
Must be running out of ethanol.
Must be run out of ethanol. The owner run out of alcohol, and the machine run out of.
Yeah.
Yep. Oh, what happened? He run out of ethanol. That ain't good. That's right at the end of the cut. He almost got it wrong. Oh. Choke it.
We'll have a fuel problem.
Well, if you run out of alcohol, the motor had to run out of ethanol. That's them damn Bohemian sawmills. The hell, the dogs even investigating. They trying to figure out what's going on here.
What do you think? We're going to do it. Huh? They got problems. I'll be damned. And make it to the end.
Nope, got just a little bit there, Boudreaux. Just choke it. Pour some of that natural light in that motor. It'll run.
Man, that's bad.